Hi, my name is Gabrielle Douglas, and this is my presentation on social media and emergency management. So, first, we just have a brief introduction on how social media is related to emergency management. Social media is actually one of the most increasingly transformative emergency management tactics. Social media has allowed for the immediate sharing of critical information in times of crisis by helping to relay alerts and information needed to the public. Social media actually facilitates a direct communication with the public and governmental officials so that they are allowed to get these updates and alerts swiftly. Social media is extremely and easily accessible, and it is such a wide growing network that allows so many people to access it. And on terms of communication, one of the ways that information alerts are communicated to the public is through the short message service, also known as SMS. So, SMS is a valuable tool that helps to quickly deliver information and important alerts to the public. And many public organizations use this to help relay the information, such as if evacuation orders are needed or in case of severe weather. SMS is extremely useful during emergencies when phone lines are overloaded. There are some of these drawbacks, of course, as the SMS service is not an exchange of communication. It's not a two-way communication method. It is only one way, and you have to opt in to receive these messages. So if you do not opt in, you will not be receiving these messages. Here's a quick example of when SMS and social media were heavily used to help relay information to the public. In the state of Victoria, located in Australia, the police were able to use social media apps to stop the spreading of misinformation and allow to get out that proper information to individuals who need it that were located in the area. Um, to help them mitigate and prepare for the incoming disaster. This was also a good example of how SMS was used because alerts were sent out to citizens so that they were aware. Next, we have crisis mapping, which is a tool that is used to help locate disasters and get that information out there. And it's a process of collecting, analyzing, and visualizing data. And it's through real time information. Social media is able to gather all of this onto their platform. And through this map, you could see the areas that were affected by disaster. And it does have extensive information on the affected area. So next is just an overview of stating how social media has become such an effective source of spreading information to get those alerts and important updates out to citizens of affected areas during crisis so that they are aware of what's going on and they are able to take the necessary precautions. It also monitors the data to make sure that the information being spread out there is correct and it is not misinforming the public. It is one of the most essential factors for the improvement and organization methods of emergency management, and it is a great way to communicate with the public. And these are my references.